The Maryland General Assembly has passed several housing laws this year that may ease the middle housing crunch. It's Friday, June 14th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The HB 538 bill, aptly entitled the Housing Expansion and Affordability Act, passed, changing many zoning restrictions that have restricted building for homes. One aspect of the bill is that it now prohibits a local zoning ordinance from preventing manufactured or modular dwellings from being built in areas designated for single-family residential uses. In counties where the law changed restricting these types of homes, such as Anne Arundel County, this will open up opportunities for more affordable housing building. Meanwhile, new resale inventory that hit the market rose this week to 1,922, while homes coming soon to the market rose to 1,195. Homes going to contract rose to 1,739 and in 10 median days. 1,238 homes sold since last report at 100% list to sold ratio and in 7 days. Both of these data points have been consistent week to week. Rentals available for lease are at $2,056 at a $2,400 median per month. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 14th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next week. Take care.